So next is configuration files, and configuration files are used to store the parameters used in MoveBase and in global and local planners. So I went ahead and created some configuration files. I store them in config folder. You can go to the Git repo and download those files. Take a look at them, and if you need more information about those parameters, you can always refer to ROS-Wiki. So an example here I'm at the tab local planner page. You can take a look at the configuration file, the launch file of tab local planner, and a description of each parameter and what's the effect of adjusting that parameter on planning a path. And we will take a look at those parameters later while we're tuning the navigation behavior. And now we'll take a look at the launch files. So I have them open here. I did make a small change to gazebo.launch. I added a launch file that you're familiar with. It's laser multi-merger. So not to have to launch IRA laser tools again, and you can do that. You can include multiple launch files in a different launch file by creating this or writing this line. It's include file, and then you refer to the launch file, and then all the launching sequence will take place in gazebo.launch. And then I have created a tab.launch file. As you saw earlier, it was explained in tab local planner page on ROS-Wiki. So those are pretty straightforward parameters, and we are loading those parameters from the configuration files that I just showed. Here we will use or refer to the local planner. So base local planner is tab local planner, and base global planner is navfn. And later we will need to create a node or start a node of type map server, and refer or list our map location, the map that we did create in the previous tutorial. And this is the path to our map. So this node will create a topic called map and publish the coordinates of the map. This map will be used in the previous node, MoveBase, to read data from the saved map. And then we did create an AMCL node that will help us allocate and localize our robot. And we are starting an RViz node. So that's it for the launch file. It's pretty simple. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes, and we did not make any changes actually here to the documented launch file on ROS-Wiki. So let's launch this package and see what we have.